Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today I am going to be doing a review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I am completely obsessed with this lipstick. It is so good. It is such a good brand. I love it. There you go. You can see it a little better there. So this lipstick is a full pigmented liquid lipstick, and it dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge proof wearability and long lasting color. Let me tell you, everything that it says that it does, it does. It is long lasting. It is smudge proof. I love the matte finish so that doesn't leave your lips like super shiny. It's full coverage, and it has a double-sided flat applicator. So it's a wand, and it's flat on both sides. Which I love. So it's not angled. I will say I kind of do wish that it was angled. I tend to like the angled ones better. I think that it just works better when you're applying it to have an angled applicator, but you could always get different applicators too. I make do with this. The color that I have is Dusty Rose, and I love this color. I think it does come out a lot darker, and I'll do a swatch of it in a moment. It is a 0.64 ounce tube. Very light. Obviously, you can take it on a plane with you. You can take it anywhere with you. You can throw it in your purse, and it will work great. So this, let's see. I'll go ahead and do a swatch of it on my arm. Like, look at that insane color in just what I got in just the first stroke. Like, it's crazy. It is so pretty. Now, if only they could do, like, let's see. There you go. Can you see that okay? It's a little different. There you go. That is so pretty. It's, like I said, it's already matte. It's not dry yet. You do have to wait for it to dry, so you're not supposed to like rub your lips together or anything. You just have to wait for it to dry. But yeah, it is like insanely pretty. I think it also lasts a while. I don't wear this color every day just because it is so dark. I don't use it as my everyday color. So I have had this so far for like 7, almost 8 months. Now I got it as a Christmas, I got this particular color as a Christmas present. So it's now almost August. So 7 months I've had it. So yeah, I love using this color, like mainly for like a night out. Sometimes I'll use it for work if I want it to be like kind of bold at the office. But I really love this color for when I'm like just a night out on the town. It doesn't have any kind of smell, it doesn't taste like anything, so it's completely odorless and tasteless, which is really cool. I mean, sometimes I do like the lipsticks that have like a really nice like little taste to it, but if it's either gotta be good or no scent. This is no scent, so that is really great. You can get this at Ulta, you can get it at Amazon, Sephora, or you can get it on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website as well. I think those are pretty much for the main places to get it. It's not, you can't get this brand at like Walmart or Target or anything like that. Like I said, it is pretty simple to use. You do have to be careful though, because it's a flat applicator, it's not angled, especially when you're doing like your Cupid's bow on your lip. Just like you want to like maybe use like a pencil to outline your lip first and then go in with the lipstick. It'll probably make it a lot easier to apply it precisely. Like I said, it fits in pretty much any bag. you have, so you can just throw it in for touch-ups, even though you probably won't need it. Usually when I wear this, it lasts all day. Sometimes, depending on what I was eating, I will have to touch up like just my waterline, so just like more so the inside of my lips, but for the most part it is like really, it lasts all day, which is crazy, from like 7 in the morning until that night when you wash your face. So it comes in like a little box, so it doesn't come just in like a regular tube like this, it comes in a rectangular box, which I like because the box is sealed, so it's not like at like a drugstore where, you know, they can someone can kind of play with it, open it. You just might not know if the lipstick that you're getting someone may have used or not. So yeah, I think that this is just a really, really great lipstick, and I would recommend it to everyone. Like I said, if you're going to use it, just make sure that you are really careful, or you outline your lips with a pencil first, to make sure you get it as precise as possible without having to like clean up the edges, because that's always really annoying. Lipstick's usually the last thing you apply, so you never really want to have to clean up the edges, because then you might wipe off like your foundation or any other makeup you're wearing. Okay, overall, that is this lipstick, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.